So I wanted to tell you all about I guess it's a website app, not sure, but it's called Rakuten. So you may have heard about it. You may have heard it be called Fat Wallet. It was Fat Wallet back years ago. Then it changed to Ebates, and then it changed to Rakuten, and that's what it is now. So what it is a cashback app. Anytime you want to buy something, you just go through the app. If they have that store, so if they support that store, then you'll get a percentage back of what you spend. So the thing is that it's literally free money. It's just free money. If you go through their app, it's free money. As of right now, today I looked on there and there are a bunch of stores that are an extra 10% cash back. The way it works is, let's just say I want to buy something from Coach. I will go to Rakuten, go to the app, and find Coach, which I have it on my favorite stores. You can make a list of your favorite stores. Click on Coach, it'll tell me what the percentage cash back is. You click on it, it takes you to the Coach website, and you just order from there. It's a really good way to just make money from shopping. Like I said, today there are a bunch of stores that are 10% off. Coach is one of them. Coach Outlet is one of them. Tory Burch, I think, Kate Spade, Macy's, I think, is 12% off right now. So let's just say you spend $100, and that is before tax, so it's not going to give you money back from your tax, but $100 before tax. Then in your Rakuten account, you will have, if it's 10%, you will get $10. So you paid on top of whatever discounts that you got from the actual store, because you can still use coupons and everything, because once you go through it, it's just like the regular website. There's no difference, okay? So you just made $10 in your Rakuten account. I've been with them since they were Fat Wallet, so a long time ago. I don't know how much I've made since then, because I have no way to keep track of it since they changed. But since it's been Rakuten, which has been a couple years, I have made like $1,400. And what they do is they deposit it in your account quarterly. I think the way it worked for this year, I'm trying to remember, I feel like we got a check like in March. It may have been, it was like March or April 15th. And it was for the first quarter. And then anything, you know, after like April 15th or whatever, after that is the second quarter, and then so on. My biggest, I think, was that first quarter of this year of 2020. It was one of the biggest, because what I did is we flew to London. We went to London in November, right? So we had bought those plane tickets. Well, Expedia is on there. Expedia, Travelocity, a lot of different travel companies are on there. So I ended up getting, gosh, I think it was like $200 or $300, between $200 and $300 for that first quarter check of 2020, because that was on there. So it was nice to get that check. This quarter, so we just got a check August, I believe it was 15th, and I believe I got 100 and, gosh, I don't even remember. It was over $100. It keeps track of everything, so every time you go in there and you click on something, it will keep track of that shopping trip. Now, if you don't make any purchase, then you don't get any money from it. But if you know that, hey, I made a purchase on that click right there and I didn't get anything for it, then you can let them know and they can go back and look. And I've had it happen one time that it didn't give me the cash back, and they credited me the cash back, which was nice. And several times a year they'll do like a special, and stores will be a lot, like maybe sometimes like 15%. That is insane. I mean, that is just money that you are making, total money that you're making, that you can use to spend on something else. So it's a really good site. I'm gonna try my best to show you on my phone, record it, and add it onto this video, just kind of show you how it works, because it's super easy. You can even do it on your laptop or your computer, and I believe there's an extension. I know for Chrome, I don't have it because I just go to Rakuten.com and then click through there. If you haven't signed up, you can use my link, and after your first purchase of a certain amount, maybe like $20 or $25, you will get $25. It's $25 just for shopping. I'll also get $25, but it's a mutual thing. So I hope you know that I wouldn't be telling you this just to make money, because that's not the case. I'm telling you because you can make money. It's just, like I said, I've said 4 times, it's really just free money, and there's no reason not to use it. You just have to remember to do it. Basically, what I do normally is every day I'll go in and just check my favorite stores and see how much they are, because if there's something that maybe I have on my wish list that I want to buy, but I'm putting it off for a sale or whatever, well, if let's just say Coach is normally 2%, so they give you a 2% cash back, I mean, that's still free money. But if it's 10% today, then I'm definitely going to buy that thing that I had on my wish list and get 10% back on it. It's just something to think about. So if you're interested, use my link. If you don't want to use my link, that's totally fine too. I just wanted to let you guys know. I hope you have a good day. Let's go on to my phone and show you what it looks like. Bye. Okay, so this is the app, and I just clicked on the 2 times cashback. Sometimes it's 3, it can be different, but just scrolling through there. Now I'm going to click on clothing, but it shows you different categories. Now these are the most popular ones. You can see Gap is 2%, Old Navy is 4%, Lululemon is 2.5%, Kate Spade is 3%. And like I said earlier, it's different pretty much every day. So you can also just type in the store. So if you don't want to go to a category, you can just type it in. I can type in Coach here, and it will show me the Coach outlet and just the regular Coach retail. On this day, they were both 2%. So I clicked on Coach. You can see that there are some discount codes there. You can use those, and you literally just click Shop Now, and it takes you to the Coach website. There may be a exclusion, but it usually is gift cards. Okay, so this is my account. You can see there that as of right now, I have $113.64. This is my history. So when was it? February 12th, I got $265, and that was where I put that plane ticket. And it goes back through, I think, 2018, but I think I've been a member for maybe since like 2014 or something. But here are my favorite stores, and so every day I'll just kind of go and check those and see what's up, who has what, and so that's really good to put your favorite stores in. I actually just started doing that, so it'll tell you when your next check comes, so that's a good thing. This is how you share. So you can share to your friends and family, whatever. As soon as they make a payment as soon as they make a purchase of $30, they'll get 30, and then you'll get 30 for referring them. You can even add your credit cards. I just clicked that, and there are some that are available in store, so you can make in-store purchases, and you can link your credit card, and as soon as you use that credit card in that particular store, you'll get cash back for doing that. So it's a really good thing to have.